The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Jannereth, an Illinois family law attorney. In this video, I will be walking you through how to fill out a petition for a rule to show cause in a family law case in Illinois. This form is from the Illinois Legal Aid website, and what you fill out may look slightly different depending on where you receive it from, but it should contain about the same basic information. As always, this video is not legal advice and is for educational purposes only. A petition for rule to show cause in a family law matter may be used by a person who says that the other person has not followed a court order or judgment. The petition will say which order or judgment has not been followed and explain what the petitioner thinks the respondent did or did not do. To start filling out this form, you will want to type in the county in which you will be filing this petition. I put Adams County just as an example here. Then you will want to put the type of case of the court order that you're trying to enforce. This could be a marriage, civil union, legal separation, declaration of invalidity, allocation of parental responsibility, visitation, support, or parentage. Here, I just use the example of an allocation of parental responsibilities. A marriage would be in re marriage of the parties. The person who files this petition is going to be the petitioner. The other person will be the respondent. You will want to put the case number as the same case number of the order that you are trying to enforce. And if this is a child support order, you will want to put the child support case number there. The calendar and child support case numbers are optional unless you're wanting to enforce the child support order. Starting on the body of the form, now comes the petitioner. You will put the petitioner's name here, respondent's name here. You will want to put the date the order was entered that you're wanting to enforce. And then we will get into what the petitioner is stating in this petition. So you will want to start with the date the order was entered, what type of order you are trying to enforce. Again, that could be an allocation of parental responsibility, support, parentage, a marital settlement agreement, anything like that. Paragraph 2 and on, you will want to start by putting the paragraph of the order in which the respondent did not follow and the paragraph number which you are trying to enforce. So paragraph whatever, I put 1, 2, 3 as an example. And then here you will want to put the respondent's name and then explain on the line what they were ordered to do in the paragraph that you are trying to enforce. And then section 3 here, you're going to state the dates in which the respondent violated the paragraph above and describe what the respondent did, how they violated that paragraph. If there's more than one date that they violated it, put all the dates there. If it's only one date, just put one date there. But you do need to describe how the respondent violated the order. Now, 4 through 7, you will just repeat this. If there are other paragraphs that the respondent also violated, you will just continue to add those. So put the paragraph number, the respondent's name, what they were ordered to do, the date in which they violated the order, and how they violated that order, and then so on and so forth if there's another one. another violation you would put in 6 and 7. 8, you will put the respondent's name again here, saying that their violation was willful and they should be found in contempt of court. And then under that here, you will put the petitioner's name. Petitioners respectfully asking the court to, A here, respondent's name again, rule against the respondent to show that they violated the court order on this, the court order date here, what date the order was entered again. And B, respondent's name, and then you will want to describe what you want the court to tell the respondent to do or not do. So whatever they violated, what you want them to do or not do, you want them to follow that court order. So explain there what you would like the court to do. C, asking for sanctions if applicable. And then D, any other relief for the petitioner. And then here at the bottom, the signature, petitioner will want to sign and put their name underneath the line here. Moving on to page 3, the date that you sign this, put the date there. I just have an example there. You'll want to sign again the petitioner's name and information, address, phone number, email address. And then if you are given a court date, hearing date, you will want to also fill out this notice of court date for the motion. So you will want to fill out this caption here, the exact same as the petition above. So you are the petitioner, other person is the respondent, the case number, etc. In this to box, you will put the respondent's information, the respondent's address, and then you will want to fill in the court date, what time, and you will also need the courtroom number here, court's address on this line, and then again, you will want to sign, print your name, address, phone number, email. Moving on to page 2 of this section. This is the proof of delivery. You have to give notice to the other party. This will be the respondent's information, so respondent's name, email, address, and then you'll want to select how you are sending this notice to the other party, whether by delivery, personal delivery, mail. If it is by mail, you will need to put the address of the post office you dropped it at, etc. And then what date you're sending that out, you will want to put here, and you have to send that out by 5 p.m. on that day since the post office does close that day and it's regular business hours. And then you will want to sign either the petitioner, if the petitioner sent this via mail, this will be the petitioner's information. If it's by personal delivery and it was by someone else, a family member, someone over the age of 18, they will fill out this information. Whoever delivered the notice to the other party will fill out this bottom information, signature, printed name, address, etc. All right, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more about petitions for rule to show cause or violations of court orders, you can visit our page linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments section and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.